Everyone knows that straight teeth give you a beautiful smile. But did you know that straighter teeth can also benefit your overall health? Crooked or misaligned teeth, also known as malocclusion, affect 70% of American adults. If left untreated, bacterial buildup from misaligned teeth can lead to periodontal disease and can affect your bite, creating abnormal amounts of stress on teeth and jaw muscles, which can lead to premature wear. The effects of misaligned teeth could worsen over time, and if left untreated, may adversely affect your overall health. Common types of malocclusions include crowding, spacing, crossbite, deep bite, open bite, underbite, edge-to-edge bite, and excessive overjet. Teeth that are subject to excessive pressure from some of these misalignments can develop gum recession and abfractions, which are tooth notches at the gum line. Over time, the excessive force may cause flattened or worn-down teeth or chipping and fractures of the teeth. Additionally, an abnormal bite may produce improper forces on the jaw joint that may lead to pain in the jaw muscles, earaches, and even headaches. Misaligned teeth can affect your oral health since it's difficult to remove plaque and bacteria from crowded areas. Plaque buildup from bacteria that aren't properly removed can trigger gingivitis, leading to periodontal disease. If left untreated, you could face receding gums, soft tissue damage, periodontal pockets, bone loss, chronic infection, and eventually tooth loss. Problems in the oral cavity are best treated early. Misaligned teeth can lead to thousands of dollars in painful dental procedures and countless hours in the dentist chair. Bacteria trapped in between misaligned teeth can also invade blood vessels, causing damage to cells that line your coronary arteries and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, how can straight teeth make a difference? With impactful health benefits such as healthier gums. Straight teeth make it easier for you to maintain better oral hygiene. This means there's less plaque, which reduces the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. When you straighten your teeth with solutions like Invisalign aligners, you're helping your oral and overall health, and you're getting that beautiful smile you deserve. Invisalign is the #1 doctor-recommended clear aligner brand. Millions of patients worldwide entrust their smile to Invisalign aligners. And here's why. Invisalign aligners mean easier and better oral care during treatment compared to braces. They're the only clear aligners made with unique SmartTrack material that will move your teeth more predictably and comfortably. So ask your doctor and dental hygienist today about a consultation and iTero Dental Health Scan. Make sure you're getting the right clear aligners. Look for the Invisalign Starflower and let Invisalign aligners get your oral health straight.